Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 2 in bright white. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and rear cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 445 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature controls, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, TRI-PANE panoramic sunroof, full third row seating, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8189G.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.